Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Chris Dignam with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Monday, August 3rd, 2009. China Investment Corporation has chosen Morgan Stanley and Blackstone to manage hundreds of millions of dollars in new private fund investments. According to the Wall Street Journal, the Chinese Sovereign Wealth Fund will allocate $500 million to Blackstone's Fund of Funds unit. CIC has also set aside additional cash to be managed by Morgan Stanley's asset management unit. The China Fund has invested about $10 billion combined to acquire stakes in Blackstone and Morgan Stanley since 2007. Also, U.S. hedge fund managers are buying gold as they believe prices will increase due to the effects of European governments' quantitative easing programs. According to Reuters, Moonraker Fund Management interviewed 22 managers, of which 20 have bought gold bullion as they expect quantitative easing to push prices higher. Moonraker has raised exposure to gold in commodities and global opportunities funds. In more hedge fund news, fund manager Nicola Horlick's Petersfield Asset Management has terminated offer talks with Bramdean Alternatives. According to the Wall Street Journal, Petersfield, which had been proposing a speedy liquidation of Bramdean, was set up by Horlick and chaired by Tony Kaplan. Petersfield is pulling out as some shareholders now want Bramdean to continue with its current strategy of investing in long-term alternative assets. And finally, GLG Partners is planning to unveil the GLG UK Select Fund today. According to the Financial Times, the new fund will be a UK-domiciled form of the firm's Irish UCITS, long-only GLG UK Select Equity Fund. John White and Jason McKay will manage the fund, which will invest primarily in companies in the FTSE 100. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.